Chapter 6: Hot Deserts, Saudi Arabia. Learning objectives: location, land surface, climate, vegetation, wildlife, life of the people, changing lifestyle. A desert is a landscape or region that receives an extremely low rainfall, less than enough to support growth of most plants. Deserts located in tropics are called hot deserts. Most deserts of the world lie in the western parts of the continents. For us, study of a special region, we shall select the Arabian Desert and more particularly a country called Saudi Arabia. Fact File: the Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest place in the world. There has been no rain in this desert for the last 400 years. Location: Saudi Arabia is located in the Middle East. It occupies 3/4 of the Arabian Peninsula. It lies between the Persian Gulf in the east and the Red Sea in the west. The countries which surround Saudi Arabia are Qatar, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates, that is UAE in the east, Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in the north, and Oman and Yemen in the south. Land surface: Saudi Arabia contains the world's largest continuous sand desert, the Rub al Khali or empty quarter. Its oil regions lies primarily in the eastern province along the Persian Gulf. Saudi Arabia consists mainly of dry, barren land which slopes from west to east. On the western coast, Saudi Arabia is rugged and mountainous. Central and eastern Saudi Arabia consist mainly of plateaus and deserts. Some parts have underground water which surfaces to form pools of water called oases. These areas are the only fertile areas in the desert. There are no rivers that flow through this desert. However, during occasional heavy rain, wide gullies called wadis temporarily fill with water. But due to extreme heat, the water evaporates quickly or gets absorbed by the ground. Climate: the climate of Saudi Arabia is neither tropical nor temperate. The country gets very little rainfall, the humidity is very low, and the sun shines bright and hot throughout the year. The days are very hot, but the nights are cool as the sand in the desert cools down quickly at night. During winter, the nights are very cold. There are no lakes or rivers. The desert regions have small hills of sand called sand dunes. Strong winds and dust storms keep blowing the dry sand and shifting these sand dunes from one place to another. Fact File: the Rub al Khali is a huge sandy desert that covers about 64,500 square kilometers of southern Saudi Arabia. This vast, desolate area, whose name in English is the empty quarter, is about 5 times the size of England. Vegetation: the land of Saudi Arabia is almost barren. Very few plants grow as the area is dry. Most desert plants have long roots which go deep into the earth in search of water. However, there are several places where there is a store of underground water. Such a place is called an oasis. Villages and cities have grown up around these oases, and the people in these villages use the land close to the oasis to grow food crops such as wheat, barley, dates, fruits, coffee, and vegetables. The date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in this region. Dates are sweet and nutritious fruits, and large quantities of dates are exported to other countries. The leaves and wood of the tree are used to make mats, baskets, and other useful things. Wildlife: the animals that can survive extreme hot climate and scarcity of water and food for a long duration are found in the desert. Camel is the most common animal of this region. Camel has long legs and padded feet that help it to travel in the sand without any trouble. Camel can live without water and food for many days. That is why camel is known as the ship of the desert. Arabian horses and jackals move swiftly across the desert. Wolves and hyenas live in mountain highlands. Pigeons and quails are seen near the oases. In the coastal areas, flamingos and pelicans are a common sight. Life of the people. The people of Saudi Arabia mostly wear the traditional Arab clothes. Men wear long cotton gown called a thob, a head covering called gutra to protect their head from the sun. Women wear long robes called abba and cover their faces with a veil. People who live in Arabian desert lead a very hard life. They are mainly nomads who wander from place to place in search of pasture lands for their animals. These people are called the Bedouins. The main occupations of the Bedouins is keeping herds of animals such as camels, sheep, goats, etc. They move in small groups. They pitch their tents whenever they find a patch of grass. When they have to move, they fold their tents and load them on the backs of their camels. The Bedouins mostly move in groups forming long rows of the camels called the caravans. The animals provide them food and also help them to earn their livelihood. Saudi Arabia is a Muslim state. Islam in Saudi Arabia is the official religion. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, the most important pilgrim center of the Muslims. Medina is another important religious center here. Changing lifestyle. The discovery of oil and export of petroleum have changed the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. People have taken to a Western way of life. Large modern cities are growing and developing in Saudi Arabia. Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, is a modern city. The money earned from the sale of petroleum is used to develop various industries such as cement, petrochemicals, iron and steel. Some small-scale industries like food processing, textiles, leather goods, handicrafts and cosmetics have also been developed. Today, Saudi Arabia is one of the richest countries in the world. Points to remember. Saudi Arabia occupies 3/4 of the Arabian Peninsula. The country has a very hot and dry climate with little or no rain. At some places, water bodies called oases are present. The Bedouins are nomadic people who travel from place to place. The discovery of petroleum, also known as liquid gold, has brought significant changes